constructive efforts deployed to draw the attention of the Constitutional Review Commissioners to the above sadly fell on deaf ears. The deafening silence of several very highly placed officials and our fellow Gambian brothers and sisters to the concerns we have repeatedly raised in our petition to the President, in our courtesy calls to government officials, including the Chief Justice and former Attorney General, on radio and TV, and in our press conference and press releases, has been read as a message that Christian rights do not matter. We are concerned that the proposals of specific interest groups were adopted whilst the genuine concerns of others were ignored. While strengthening key areas under the executive and legislative arms of government, under the judiciary, a divisive legal framework was introduced that would completely undermine the common law system of law that has served the Gambian people since 1970 and destroy the peaceful and harmonious relationship that has existed in the Gambia between Christians and Muslims up to date. Contrary to the express provisions of Section 6 of the CRC Act 2017, provisions were introduced which A, restrict the fundamental human rights of Gambians, B, fail to safeguard the Gambians' continued existence as a secular state, but rather a state where Sharia law has been amplified and in which some faiths may be unfairly treated. C, discouraging national cohesion and unity, and rather encouraging religious intolerance. The Gambia has gone into the annals of history because of the former Minister of Justice courage to fight and protect the rights of a Muslim minority group, the Rohingyas, in Myanmar. It is therefore reasonable to expect our government to manifest that same spirit of love and concerns for minority rights in our beloved nation, the Gambia. As Christians, our hope for our homeland is that we will build a Gambia where there is a place for every Gambian, irrespective of his or her belief or ethno-linguistic background. Our desire is that any new constitution would safeguard the future of all Gambians and protect the rights of all citizens. It remains our steadfast view that religion must not divide us. We are therefore committed to preserving our heritage of harmonious interfaith relationship among our diverse people. We would use this opportunity to sincerely thank all those who championed the cause of the Gambia's common good during this process, including our Muslim allies who joined our interfaith campaign. As we continue to strive for peace and harmony in our nation, the Gambia, may we hold firm to the solemn words of our national anthem. Let justice guide our action towards the common good, and join our diverse people to prove man's brotherhood.